In this video, I'll show you how to log into Crypto.com on PC. To do this, first just search for Crypto.com in your browser and open up the link from Crypto.com themselves. Then it's pretty simple. Then for me here it's in Dutch, but basically you want to click sign in here in the top right. And then you can either scan the QR code on your phone by following the steps you see here, or you can just use your email or access key, but I'll use my email here. So I'll just enter my email address, then click sign in. They will then send a code to your email address. So you have an email like this, simply go and copy the code and paste that in here. Then they will verify your phone number by sending a code to your phone number, so enter that one in too. And finally enter your passcode to verify it's you, so the passcode to your account. And that's it. You've now signed in to web.crypto.com and you can now just use it as you would use the app. So now you know how to log into Crypto.com on PC. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.